Hello guys, welcome. So in today's video, I am gonna talk on pyrimidine biosynthesis. Okay, so in last video, I talk about purine biosynthesis, right, which involves in case of a de novo biosynthesis, which involves 11 steps, right. So in case of a pyrimidine biosynthesis, a de novo synthesis involving a 6-step reaction. So this biosynthesis or this pyrimidine biosynthesis, it's quite simpler process as compared to purine biosynthesis, right. So this pyrimidine is a 6-member nitrogenous base which includes uracil, thymine and cytosine. Okay, so thymine is in case of a DNA and uracil is present in the RNA. Okay, so for DNA and RNA synthesis we can simply say uh, so this is a 6-member pyridine ring which is made, and then it which is attached to a ribose 5 phosphate in case of a de novo biosynthesis, right. So here you can see in this diagram key that N1, C4, C5 and C6, they are this pyrimidine ring, they all are derived from the aspartic acid. Okay, and that C2 which arises from bicarbonate, and N3 which is contributed by the glutamine amino acid. Okay, now this de novo biosynthesis, as I told you, it involves 6 step reaction. Okay, so this pathway, that is de novo biosynthesis pathway, is a result in the synthesis of uridine 5 monophosphate, that is UMP. Okay, so out of the 6 enzyme, means ज्या काही 6 reactions येतात, obviously it requires enzyme, right. So out of 6 enzyme, they are involved in this pathway. So 5 which are present in the cytosol and 1 is present on the outer surface of inner mitochondrial membrane. Okay, now we will see how these reactions are carried out and how there is a synthesis of UMP. Okay, so now the first reaction, that is a synthesis of carbamoyl phosphate. Okay, so this is the first reaction of pyrimidine biosynthesis, right. So in that there is a synthesis of carbamoyl phosphate from bicarbonate. You can see here there is a synthesis, how this synthesis of carbamoyl phosphate is carried out. Okay, so so there is a bicarbonate ion, then amide nitrogen of a glutamine by the cytosolic enzyme, that is carbamoyl phosphate synthetase 2 enzyme. Okay, so this reaction is unusual in it, so in that, so it does not use biotin. Okay, and it consumes 2 molecules of ATP, right. So here you can see ki bicarbonate, when then glutamine 2 molecules of ATP and water molecule, then when that enzyme which is carbamoyl phosphate synthetase enzyme acts on that, it produces a carbamoyl phosphate. Okay, and so it consumes 2 ATP molecules also, so that provides a phosphate group and other energizes the reaction. म्हणजे जे काही मॉलिक्युल्स इथे कन्झ्युम झाले, 2 ATP molecules which are consumed in this reaction, right. So first molecule which provides a phosphate group. ठीक आहे, here you can see की कार्बामोइल phosphate तिथे काय झालं, एक phosphate molecule attached झाला आहे. ठीक आहे, means one ATP molecule which is used to provide a phosphate group, and other जो काही दुसरा ATP molecule आहे, that energizes the reaction. Okay, so this is how की synthesis of carbamoyl phosphate, right. Then the second reaction, that is a synthesis of carbamoyl aspartate. Okay, so now how this synthesis takes place. Okay, so this there is a condensation of a carbamoyl phosphate with a aspartate. Okay, so carbamoyl phosphate and जे काय aspartate आहे, when they get condensed with each other, they form a carbamoyl aspartate, and that reaction is catalyzed by aspartate trans carbamylase, that is ATPase enzyme. Okay, so this reaction is occurs without need of ATP. Okay, because that carbamoyl phosphate is a intrinsically ॲक्टिवेटेड. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे जे काही कार्बामिल फॉस्फेट सिंथेसाइज झालं इन प्रिव्हियस रिॲक्शन, दॅट इज ऑलरेडी इंट्रेन्सिकली ॲक्टिवेटेड. सो दिस रिॲक्शन डज नॉट रिक्वायर ATP molecule. So when this carbamyl phosphate condense with aspartate ammonium acid, it will form it forms a carbamyl aspartate by the action of enzyme, that is ATPase, right. So you can easily say ki what is the difference between the structure. So काय groups attached झालाय, so there is only a means aspartate molecule जेव्हा condense झालाय, so that there is a attachment, आणि phosphate molecule काय झालाय, remove झालाय, right. मग त्याला काय झाला, कार्बामोइल फॉस्फेट कार्बामोइलला aspartate molecule amino acid attach होऊन it forms a कार्बामोइल aspartate. Okay, so that is the second reaction. Then the third reaction, that is a ring closure to form a orotate, right. So in this reaction what happens, so this is the third reaction of the pathway which forms the pyrimidine ring, okay, which yielding the dihydroorotate, which is an intramolecular condensation, and that is catalyzed by the enzyme, that is a dihydroorotase enzyme. Okay, so that enzyme is a zinc metalloenzyme, right. So which is used to produce, or which used to convert that carbamol aspartate to dihydroorotate, and the enzyme which act on that is a dihydroorotase. Okay. Then the fourth reaction, that is the oxidation of dihydroorotate. Okay, so you can see here structure of dihydroorotate, which is also called as a DHO, right. So how the oxidation of dihydroorotate takes place. So dihydroorotate is a irreversibly oxidized to orotate, okay, by the enzyme, that is a dihydroorotate dehydrogenase. Okay, so this here you can see, so this eukaryotic, this is an eukaryotic enzyme. So as I told you ki out of these 6 जे काय एन्झाईम्स आहेत जे की यूज केले जातात टू कॅटलाइज ऑल ऑफ दॅट रिॲक्शन्स, ठीक आहे, इन केस ऑफ अ डिनो बायोसिंथेसिस, वन एन्झाईम विच इज अन eukaryotic enzyme which contain a FMN, ठीक है, that is flavin mononucleotide, right. So which is an integral membrane protein, ठीक है, that is located on the outer surface of inner mitochondrial membrane, ठीक है, where that ubiquinone supplies its oxidizing power and gets converted to its reduced form. Okay, so the other 5 enzymes of pyrimidine nucleotide biosynthesis, they are the cytosolic in animal cells, right. Now the fifth reaction, that is a transfer of orotate to ribose 5 monophosphate. Okay, so how this transfer is taking place. So in that that orotate, okay, that orotate is reacts with a PRPP, that is 5-phosphoalpha D ribosyl pyrophosphate, right. So when that orotate it reacts with, simply you can say PRPP. So when there is a reaction is happen in between orotate and PRPP, it forms a orotine 5 monophosphate, that is OMP. Okay, orotidine 5 monophosphate, that is OMP, in the reaction, and that catalyzed by orotate phosphoribosyl transferase enzyme, which is driven by hydrolysis of the hydrolysis, and there is a elimination of that PPI, that is a pyrophosphate. Okay, so this reaction fixes the anomeric form of a pyrimidine nucleotides in the configuration, okay. Then the sixth reaction, which is the final reaction, so in this that is a decarboxylation to form a UMP, okay. So the final reaction of the pathway is the decarboxylation, means there is a removal of carbon dioxide, okay. Simply decarboxylation वरून तुम्ही सांगू शकतात की there is a removal of carbon dioxide, okay, and the enzyme which is used for that is a OMP decarboxylase, okay, and then it forms a UMP. Okay, so this is a de novo biosynthesis of pyrimidine nucleotide, and which else there is a synthesis of uridine monophosphate, that is UMP, okay. So simply here you can see ki all of that 6 reaction how they carried out, okay. Simple way मध्ये you can easily understand, or this is the best way to remember all of that 6 reactions, okay. सो यू कैन सी हियर की हाउ द सिंथेसिस ऑफ UAMP इज टेक्स प्लेस. ठीक आहे. फर्स्ट ते कसं कन्वर्ट होत होत किंवा ट्रान्सफर मॉलिक्यूल हाऊ दे सिंथेसिस इज टेकिंग प्लेस, की कार्बॅमॉइल फॉस्फेट कसा सिंथेसाइज होतो, देन कार्बॅमॉइल आस्पार्टेट, देन हाऊ इट फॉर्म्स डायहायड्रोओरोटेट, देन फ्रॉम डायहायड्रोओरोटेट इट yield orotate, then orotate when reacts with PRPP, it forms a orodyne 5 monophosphate, that is a OMP. And then OMP decarboxylation process मध्ये काय होतं, there is a removal of carbon dioxide and that OMP decarboxylase act on that reaction and then it forms a uridine monophosphate. ठीक आहे. So this all the 6 steps for de novo biosynthesis of pyrimidine nucleotide. ठीक आहे. Now so here this is a now the uridine monophosphate. ठीक है. So how it convert into CTP and DTMP. ठीक है. cytosine and thymine. ठीक है. So there are different enzymes which act on that and then that conversion is taking place. Now I will explain one by one. So first, that is the synthesis of cytosine triphosphate from UMP. ठीक है. So here you can see ki there is a synthesis of CTP from UMP. Okay, now how it carried out I'll explain. Okay, so in that nucleotide monophosphate kinase, that is NMK, that catalyzes the transfer of phosphate to UMP to form a UDP. ठीक है. म्हणजे here you can see ki there is a transfer, means kinase जो enzyme है which act there and then it transfers a phosphate to UMP, which is used to form a UDP molecule. Okay, so that nucleoside diphosphate kinase, it catalyzes the transfer of PI from ATP to UDP to form a UTP molecule. Okay, so this cytosine triphosphate is formed by amination of a UTP by a CTP synthetase enzyme. Okay, here you can see की जे काय CTP synthetase enzyme आहे त्याच्यापासून काय होणार आहे, युअर CTP is formed. Okay, so in case of animals, that amino group is donated by a glutamine amino acid, and in case of a bacteria it is supplied directly by a ammonia. Okay, now the second, so here you can easily understand ki how this synthesis is taking place from UMP to so CTP चं तुम्हाला synthesis करायचं आहे from UMP. Okay, so here you have to remember ki NMK means what, NDK means what. ठीक आहे. कोणता एन्झाईम when कधी ॲक्ट होतं, how they transfer phosphate to form products, right. Then synthesis of thymine nucleotides. Okay, so thymine nucleotides which are made from DUMP, which derives from DUDP and DCDP metabolism. Okay, and there is again one enzyme which used to convert this DUMP to TMP. ठीक है, that is a thymidylate synthetase and the process, that is a methylation of DUMP. ठीक है, so methylation, that means methylation should be, methyl group should be there. So this methyl group is donated by N5N10 methylene tetrahydrofolate. Okay, so this is the reaction by which you can easily say ki how the conversion or synthesis is taking place. ठीक है, so this is the UMP molecule, right. So when the thymidylate synthetase act on that, it get converted, means जो काही मिथाइल ग्रुप घेतला आहे त्यांनी विच इज कम फ्रॉम N5N10 मिथाइलिन टेट्राहायड्रोफोलेट. ओके, मग त्याच्यापासून जो काही मिथाइल ग्रुप घेतला त्यांनी, देन इट फॉर्म्स अ थायमिन मोनोफॉस्फेट. ओके, नाव द salvage of pyrimidines. So salvage pathway, so in the pyrimidine salvage pathway, this thymidine is taken up by the transport proteins, right, and phosphorylated by the enzyme, that is a thymidine kinase enzyme to a thymidine monophosphate. Okay, so this is not that much hard to understand. So as you know ki pyrimides which include cytosine, thymine, uracil. ठीक है, so cytosine and thymine is in case of a DNA. ठीक है, so by deamination process, म्हणजे त्या cytosine मध्ये जर अमोनियम हे झाला, काय म्हणतात त्याला, रिमूव्ह झाला, देन इट फॉर्म्स अ युरॅसिल so when that ribose 1 phosphate is converted into uridine, there is one enzyme which act on that, that is a uridine phosphorylase, and then uridine is getting converted into UMP by the nucleotide kinase enzyme. Okay, and then thymine, when it reacts with deoxyribose 1 phosphate, it forms thymidine, and the enzyme which used to catalyze that reaction, that is a thymidine um, phosphorylase. Okay, and then that thymidine is getting converted into TDMP by the enzyme, that is a nucleoside kinase enzyme. ठीक है, जसं की मी तुम्हाला एक्सप्लेन केलं ऑलरेडी की हाउ द सिंथेसिस ऑफ CTP and TMP from UMP, that you have to remember. Okay, now the regulation of this pathway. So, or you can say synthesis. So in case of a mammals, that pyridine biosynthesis is regulated at two different steps. Okay, so first, that is a carbamyl phosphate synthetase 2 enzyme, which is inhibited by UDP and UTP and getting activated by ATP and PRPP. ठीक आहे, तुम्हाला समजलंच असेल की डी नोव्हो मध्ये काय होतं, which molecules are required for that process, ठीक है, and which act as a precursors for that pathway, right? So then second step, that is OMP decarboxylase enzyme, for which the UMP and CMP, which are the competitive inhibitors, right? So competitive inhibitors means there is a competition between two different inhibitors, जसं की तुम्हाला सांगितलं की enzymes आणि substrate. ठीक आहे, when specific enzyme is required, is binds with that specific substrate, the reaction is very strong. ठीक है, so when there is a competition in between substrate and inhibitor, okay, means who will bind first or who will get close to that enzyme, so that is a competitive inhibitors. म्हणजे त्यांच्यामध्ये सिम्पली काय म्हणू शकता तुम्ही, कॉम्पिटिशन सुरू होते की कोणी फर्स्ट जाऊन त्याला बाइंड व्हायचं. ठीक आहे, सो इन दिस पाथवे दॅट OMP decarboxylates, for which that UMP and CMP, they are act as a competitive inhibitors for that enzyme. Okay, so this is all about the pyrimidine biosynthesis. Okay, in which we discussed about a de novo biosynthesis and salvage pathway. ठीक है, I hope you guys understand कि how the purine biosynthesis is takes place and how pyrimidine biosynthesis is takes place. ठीक है, so as compared to your purine biosynthesis, this pyrimidine biosynthesis is quite simpler. Okay, जे तुम्हाला समजलं पण असेल की हाऊ अँड वाय इट इज सिम्पल. ठीक आहे, कारण की डिनोमध्ये वी डिस्कस्ड 11 स्टेप्स, राईट, अँड इन केस ऑफ अ pyrimidine ओनली 6 स्टेप्स आर देअर, राईट. सो this is about a nucleotide biosynthesis in which we see की प्युरिनमध्ये काय होतं आणि pyrimidine काय होतं. ठीक आहे, थँक्यू.